Hey everybody, Sean here from My Heart Sword Spices, and we are starting out a new series for the new year. We're going to get in, we're going to make some healthy dishes, we're going to make some side dishes too. But this one has both. We're going to make a bruschetta salad. Alright, what you're going to need for this is balsamic vinegar. You're going to need a good quality olive oil. Going to need mozzarella. About half of a red onion. Need some basil. Need some arugula. Need some little tiny itty bitty little cherry tomatoes. And some good Italian seasoning. Okay, to get started, we're going to put about 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of olive oil. If I can get it open. There we go. And about 1/3 as much balsamic. So about a tablespoon. Then just kind of whisk that together. Sort of emulsify it a little bit. And then we're going to get to work on the rest of the stuff. You take your tomatoes, and don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch me cut up 100 tiny little tomatoes, but just cut them all in half. And put them in the bowl with your olive oil. I'm going to cut up a little bit of red onion here, not a whole lot. That should do. Add that to the bowl with the tomatoes. To that we're going to add a pinch, maybe half a teaspoon or so of basil. Tried to get it fresh, but holidays, yay. And we're going to add about a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning too, of course, the good stuff. Going to break up our mozzarella and put it in there. And then we're going to mix this up and we're going to let the whole thing sit in the refrigerator. You can go anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, overnight if you want. Just get everything tossed in that olive oil and balsamic. And you can just let it marinate. Or, I mean, you know, you don't have to. You could be like me and do what I'm about to do, and that's eat it right now, because it's really delicious. You know, quality control, you know. Just to make sure. Got to test everything. Get. Alright, it's time to plate it up. Just get a little handful of some baby arugula or spinach or whatever you like. There's a reason I'm not picky about numbers and such in my recipes, because do what you want. And then just take a couple of nice scoops of our bruschetta tomato salad. Super healthy, super tasty, and great for the new year. It makes a perfect side dish to any Italian recipes, or any recipe really that you want. Alright. That is delicious. Definitely give this a try if you're trying to, you know, keep an eye on your midsection there. And make sure also to give us a like and a subscription so you can see more healthy recipes and some really good side dishes. This one's both. Happy New Year.